Hello, let's take a quick look at the Canva interface. Canva homepage is divided into three sections. On the left side, we see the left side menu. Next to it, the submenu, which is dynamic depending on what we choose in the left side menu. And the main window, the working area. On the left side, we see three lines. Close menu. When clicked, the submenu disappears. Next, the home button is the same as the Canva logo. Clicking it always brings us back to the main page, to the Canva home page. In the project section, we see folders. We can see all folders. And if we don't have a folder, we can click Add New on the right side and click Folder. Now we can enter the name. And we can click Continue. Now we see that a new folder has appeared. Next, we see the design section where we find all our designs. We see brand templates, images, and videos. Returning to all, we see the same section listed when scrolling down: folders, designs, brand templates, images, and videos. In the submenu, we see what we have stored. We can select a design. Let's go to designs. We can select design and click Start, and it appears in the submenu. Similarly, we can mark a folder by going to Folders and starring it. If we want to move designs to a marked folder, we can drag and drop them like this. We can also create section. We can click Create here, this plus. We can click three dots and click Rename. Now we can enter the name. And now we can choose an emoji. For example, I'm choosing this one. And now we have new section where we can drag designs. We can take and drag it to new section. Next, we see the templates section, which includes several options: templates, photos, graphics, creators for you, and start content. If we choose templates, we will see many themes. We can choose any theme and the page will open. We see themes, filters, all filters, and many templates. We will discuss working with templates in a dedicated topic. Now I go back and see the photos section, which is a huge image library. We will have separate topics on working with photos. Next, we see graphics, main keywords, where we can select orientation and colors. Next, creators you follow and start content. It's everything we have started, as previously demonstrated. Next, in the left side menu, we see brand, available for Canva Pro users. Apps section contains many apps. Creators, which shows the creators we follow. And Dream Lab is for image creation. Canva Pro users have 500 credits. We see here, while Canva free users currently have 20 lifetime credits. Let's come back to Canva homepage. We see banner in the main window, and above them, the search bar. Here we can enter a keyword to search for Canva templates or all your content. Similarly, we can enter our design or folder name to quickly find it. Next, we see the most popular themes here. Or if we click Create Design, the same themes are listed here. We see the same menu. We see presentation, social media, video. If we click social media, the same window opens as when selecting Create Social Media. We can refine the search, choose the right size, and clicking it takes us to the Canva design window. We will discuss all available features in detail in other topics. I click the 3 lines and the Canva logo to return to the Canva homepage. Again, let's go to social media. We selected a size, but below we can browse templates. If we selected Instagram, we see Instagram sized template. Clicking See All takes us to the template search page, the same place as when navigating through the left side menu, templates, social media, and Instagram posts. Again, I return to the Canva homepage. Next, we see custom size. It is visible here or in the left side menu under Create Design. We can enter width and height, select the measurement unit, and click Create Design to enter the design window with that specific size. On the right side, we can click Cross and close the design window. We also see the upload option, where we can upload various files, photos, and folders. We will discuss uploading photos in the Photos section. The More section contains additional design options not mentioned earlier. On the home page, we also see recent designs, which are automatically saved design. We will discuss saving and downloading work in a separate topic. At the top right, we see the Settings button, where we find various settings. The bell icon shows notifications and messages. Clicking our profile, we see our account, themes, and other settings. For example, if we want to change the language, we can go to Settings and select our preferred language. We can also switch themes between dark, light, or science with system. If we want to log out, we can click Sign Out. I click the Canva logo, and now let's briefly look at the Canva design window. I quickly select any size. Now we are on the design window. On the left side menu, we see Design, and here we can find templates, or we can click Style, and here we can find colors, palettes, font pairs, and etc. Next is the Elements section, which we will discuss in detail in the course. Let's quickly see. Here we see recently used, we see shapes, and we can click See All, and we see more shapes. We can come back and we can see graphics. We see themes, gradient, stickers, collections, or we can type keyword into the search bar. For example, I am typing themes, and now we see relevant graphics. I exit, then see image generator, stickers, photos, videos, audio, charts, pools and quizzes, tables, frames, grids. Next, we see text, which we will cover in detail in next lesson. Brand is for Canva Pro users. Uploads, we will find all our uploaded files, including photos, videos, and audio tracks. We also have a drawing feature. We can click draw, and here we can take marker, we can draw, we can erase it, or click the arrow to save our drawing as an element. In the project section, we can filter by entering a keyword in the search bar. We can select all projects, your projects, or shared with you. Here we see designs, folders, images, and videos. Under all, scrolling down, we see the same folders, images, videos. In the apps section, we can search for various apps. We will discuss the most important ones during course. Now let's briefly look at our workspace. Below, we can add page by clicking Add Page. We see the scroll view, which we can change. On the bottom right, we have a View Mode button. I see Thumbnail View. I can click it. Clicking it shows pages at the bottom like this. To add a page, we can click the plus sign. To switch back to scroll view, click the same button now named scroll view. To see all pages, we can click grid view. Clicking twice on any page or clicking close grid view returns to the previous view. We can also zoom in and out of the window here. To return to the Canva homepage, click the three lines at the top and close by clicking cross on the right side. That's a brief overview of the Canva interface. We will explore all the features in more detail in the following topics.